the Range Rover is fully slammed. It's a common issue with vehicles that are equipped with air suspension, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how we can fix this issue at home with very minimal tools and no programming needed. Let's get started. So the air compressor is located in our trunk underneath the spare tire. I'm going to remove the spare, and the black box you guys are seeing underneath the spare is the enclosure for the air compressor. I bought a used part off of another Range Rover, and here's what comes inside this enclosure. The air compressor, the pump, and the air lines, everything's in here. And what we're going to do is swap some parts out inside, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to do it. The first thing we're going to do is disconnect our negative cable from our battery terminal. Then we are going to go to the trunk and remove the trunk cover and the spare tire. With those things out of the way, we see this big black box, and we're going to remove 4 8mm bolts. And with those 4 open, we could lift up the cover, and it's going to expose our compressor, the wiring, and the air lines going to it. And now I'm going to spin off the 3 air lines and also disconnect all the electrical wiring. And then there are 4 more bolts that we have to open. So we're going to loosen these, but these do not have to be fully pulled out. They're going to stay in place because there's a spring underneath. But once they're all 4 loosened, we could pick up the compressor unit as well as the black plate underneath. And then it's just a matter of seating our new part into the Range Rover, securing it down with the 4 bolts, reconnecting all the electrical wiring, the 3 air lines, and then reinstalling the top black cover back on with the 4 remainder bolts. So right now I've reconnected everything to our new unit. I'm going to close all my doors, connect the negative terminal back, and then we're going to go inside the car. Now I'm inside in my Range Rover. I'm going to start it up and then put the suspension on normal. And as you guys are seeing, the Range Rover is finally pumping back up. This job was a success. It took my Range Rover about 5 minutes to fully come up after the air compressor swap, but everything did work out, and I really hope this video helped you guys out. And if it did, please make sure to hit the like and share button. And if you guys want to see more how-to and DIY videos on my Range Rover, please make sure to subscribe to MrCarMAN, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.